Who she think she is? Pressure, flexer, who gon' check her? Nobody. Tester, bless her, make you respect.
Hey girl, hey, welcome to the Naudica podcast. My name is Naudica. Tonight I'm bringing to you my new series, and it's called Zhane Ratchet Reactions. It's gonna be different things. It's gonna be different mukbangs, challenges, all different things you can do in different entertainments. Like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell so you can get all of the juice and the tea. Thank you. Hey girl, hey, this is Naudica Zhane.
And I'm Zhane.
And welcome to the Naudica podcast. This is the
Zhane Ratchet
That's why I said I pointed at you.
Zhane Ratchet Reactions.
This is where I get my best friend to do the most uncomfortable things that she does not like to do. So today we're doing the Tortilla challenge. Playing rock, paper, scissors.
Now listen, the reason I don't like this is because we made a blood bond one day. Swear on everything, y'all. Blood to blood. That we would never fight. So we like wrestle, we be bad at shit, but this bitch wanna slap me so bad. And I always get her. She never gets me. So
then we get shit on camera.
So, all right, there you go. And this is Naudica's first challenge on this damn series of hers. So ain't no telling what the hell she been have me doing.
And the first one get to 10, win.
And we play rock paper scissors. So and if you spit the drink out,
yeah. You spit the water out.
It take a point away.
It takes a point away. So let's get into it.
Woo! Girl,
Got a good weight to it.
I went and bought the cheapest one.
We also gonna be doing mukbangs. We finna be doing mukbangs. We're gonna be doing street interviews. We're gonna be doing different challenges, different pranks. So if y'all got any suggestions, make sure y'all comment them so I can make sure we do them. Alright, you ready? You ready, Jazz? Let's get into it.
Listen, first thing first.
Come on, get your water.
Not a cup.
Hey, Grandma. Hey, Juicy. Hey, Misha. You ready? Love you, girl.
I love you, Naudica. I swear to God. Bitch, you smell fucking spit on me. Taste them so nasty. I got you, bitch. Come on.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready now. One more.
Bitch, you said how we
You didn't say how we had to do it.
Did it be the stuff that I'm on to my last shot, y'all?
You didn't say how we had to do it.
Alright. Hey, yo.
You didn't say how we had to do it.
Let's go.
Chill out.
My last shot. I'm on to my last shot, y'all.
It's okay.
Mimi even said it.
You okay?
Woo, you play too much.
Okay, I got some ice. Bitch.
Oh,
2-1.
oh my God, y'all.
Okay.
Whew, I broke it.
The whole thing.
Oh.
Yeah, they been ready for your ass. You know how you gotta get the twig.
Why you had to fold it?
Don't worry about it. You ain't say huh? I had to slap you.
I ain't fold nail time.
That
You
ain't
cheating.
don't. That
This
ain't
bitch cheating.
Look, the
You
thicker,
be talking about some I'm crying.
the thicker it is, the better the slap.
You should take my lash off, though. These lashes gotta last me tonight.
Bitch, you spit in my face. Straight to my shit. Okay.
Okay. The next week, I'll close your eyes.
I did.
Mm-mm.
Okay, bitch. You folded that bitch. I got you, ho.
That bitch lash gonna be stuck to her face by the time I get done with it. That bitch lash gonna be like this.
Okay. 3-1, bitch.
You ready?
That bitch cry.
Oh,
We
God.
going to 10. My face crazy.
You got me up there tripping out.
No, you play too fucking much. That's a
I did that bitch just like that.
You slapped me? Okay, bitch.
Mm.
Hey, y'all gotta get some more water, stupid.
Y'all, when I tell y'all this girl got me in real tears over here, she in real tears. Come on, bitch. You got my shirt all wet up. What is it, 3-2? Mm-hmm. Had my eye closed all the time. I had my eye closed in the bed, bro. You ready? Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 Hmm. You play too much. He said, Bob, busy. I cannot play with this girl, y'all. Who best friend?
Come on, man. 5, 3. Pick it up.
Mm. Mm. What makes last one?
Who? Hell no.
Alright,
10. 10.
What we at? 5, 6?
5, 6.
We got 4 more. This bitch can't beat me, y'all.
Who? I'm beating that ass and I came back. No, you got spit on my fucking face.
Sorry. Give me a little. Okay.
Mm.
This bitch!
No, come on, you wanted to play
This
shit.
bitch!
You wanted to.
What the fuck you did? 5, 6, 5, 7?
No, it's 5 sound.
Alright, bitch. Let me get a whole new one.
Yeah, let me get a new. Oh no, this was cut in for that ass. This bit broke in,
Alright. 8, 8.
8, 8. Going to 10.
8, 8.
Put y'all bets in.
Put y'all bet in who y'all think gonna win me a jazz. It 8, 8. one.
Go ahead, get you one.
Move your hair back. I can't see your jaws a little.
Bitch, fuck you.
Close your eye.
This bitch here, boy. And that's a wrap.
And that's the right, y'all.